Hi again. In this video I'm going to present you the complaints weekly tab. In the previous video we talk about complaints monthly. I show you what it is doing, how you can use the filters, what every type of filter is doing. Right now we're going to talk about the complaints weekly. So we have here complaints tracker by week. You have the total number of complaints by day, by the weekdays. You have 7 days. You have the amount lost for every day, the number of complaints recorded in every day. You have top 5 reasons by lost, meaning top 5 category in the amount lost. Let me just change the filter to show you the real data. All department, everyone's fault, everything, every filter. If you watch the preview video, complaints monthly, you already know what this filter it is doing. Okay, so we have top 5 reasons by loss. We have the category in descending order based on the lost amount generated for every reason, and here total amount for the last week. We have all the categories with the number of complaints recorded for every category and the total number of lost based on every category for the specific week. Okay, so we have, like in the complaints monthly, all the categories and subcategory listed here based on the ones you recorded in the settings tab here. Once you record here, everything will be updated here. Also we have the total. I spoke before. I was thinking something else and I was speaking the opposite. So once you select here a day, let me show you. January 50 2025. Okay, January 50 2025. For this week we have nothing recorded, no complaints. For 22 January I've entered the wrong date. 22 December. I have no. Let me go back because here I have real data recorded. I have received complaints here. Okay, so we have so this is not the fact that this is not working, just we have haven't recorded any logs in here for the specified week, and that's why I have nothing listed. So if you want to select a week, just enter any date you want here and the week will be automatically updated, and every calculation will be automatically updated. Every complaint will be automatically triggered based on the week you select. You want to see a week, enter the first day here of the week here, and the week will be updated. So you have here below the day, number of complaints, and the amount lost based on these complaints. We have here one complaint, 0. It means that we haven't recorded any lost amount based on this complaint, non-received, non-delivery. Maybe it's a non-valid and there is nothing lost for this complaint, and the same great details we'll receive for every day of the week based on all the reasons, like you see down below. You have on the top a total for every week, for every day of the week, for all the categories. You have total for the week, one complaint with nothing lost, one complaint with $45. I have to format this for the for dollars. One here for the incorrect handling, one for compromise reserved, one for ethical concerns. Okay, and in the left side, total year to date with the number of complaints recorded from the beginning of the year until the first day of the week, and total amount lost compared to the totals for the selected week. Everything is breakdown based on the reason. So if you need a report for the week, this is a great way to do it. You can find any breakdown on any other Excels I have found on the market for this type of reports. You have here a line chart representing each day of the selected week. So if we change the week, we see that January 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 and 8, like here also, but we have nothing recorded, no complaints, which is a good thing for you. and not for me right now because I have nothing to show you. And further, you have also the filters. This is all the work you have to do here. If you need a report, just come here for the week and select your filters, and the report will be automatically generated in case you have complaints recorded. Handled by, keep in mind that this is not, if you select an employee here, William Brown, this is not at fault by the complaints recorded here. So his fault is not assumed for this one complaint with $25 generated. This is just the complaints recorded by William Brown. So in case you want to find out somehow how many complaints William Brown has been handled for this week, this is where you find how many complaints Ava White, for example, handled in this week, January 8th, January 40, 2025. Okay, and these are all the statistics how he closed the complaints he handled for this week. So Jessica Smith has handled 2 complaints with $135, but it's not her fault. She just handled these complaints, and these are related to inventory, stock, and delivery and shipping issues. Okay, and it has been in January 11 and January 12, as you see here. So Jessica, in this case, Eva White is just the person who handled the employees, not who has been found guilty for these employees. Okay, this is only in case you want to find out how many employees she handled. Okay, all customers, again you select all customers and you see all customers that has complaints recorded. And in this week, Walmart Inc., we have 116 total from the beginning of the year, and this week just 1. Okay, all customers again. And if you want to see whose fault was for the complaints recorded, if you want to see, I want to see customers at fault for the complaints recorded, we have 1 customer. And okay, and it's for delivery and shipping issues. If you want to see how many were related to all employees this week, we have also 1 related to an error done by an employee, and it was on Sunday. If you want to see by department how many employees were related to department, we will see that we have how many complaints were related to departments. We see 2 for this specific week. Okay, let's go back. Basically everything is depending on you, how will you use these filters, but the possibility are endless regarding the options you have on your hand when you will have this tracker. Okay, thank you for this 5 minutes. I will say goodbye for now and see you in the next video with the next one, complaints by fault tab. Thank you, have a good day.